Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me Maxi again, and for today's video we are invited to Ken's post birthday celebration. Ayan. So kasi ang kanyang birthday ay na timing ng weekday, so may pasok, kaya he invited his friends, kasama na si Max kasi mag-best friend sila sa SM South Mall ngayong weekend na. So tara. So ang itinerary po sa araw na ito ay kakain, din magwa-watch ng movie, and then maglalaro silang magkakaibigan. So for this video po ay short video lang po aking nakuha kasi as we know, bawal po mag-video sa loob ng theater, sa cinema. So that tayo makapag-video doon. So, at saka focus pa ako sa pagbantay sa mga bata, kaya walang masyadong video. So, short video lang ito. So, stay tuned and please keep on watching, and thank you so much for being here sa aking premiere today. Angela for you daw, Max.
Saan yung ano?
Matching.
Ito yung may
Kuya, look!
caramel.
Kuya! Kuya, look!
Yung pure.
Kuya! Bring me challenge!
Ito ba yung coffee?
Ay, mga.
Mahal.
Ama, saan yung straw ko? Wala ka.
Yung coffee base, ito yun?
Same na yan sila.
Okay.
Isa pure.
Ay, pure.
Letter P.
Ito, pure double. Ito yun. Pure double. Ito sa'yo, McClure.
What's this?
Ito sa'yo.
With coffee to? Caffeine?
With coffee yan.
Okay pa.
Enjoy. Ganda kumakapa mo,
Mama,
McClure.
this tastes good, ma.
Oo, hati tayo
Have
niya.
a sip. Mama, have a sip. Have a sip. Nice.
How do you know this is the one that with coffee?
Ayan o, pure coffee.
Ayaw niya.
Pure chocolate yan. Ang pure double din yung may
Gusto
tea.
mo ba ganito? Yan. Matcha yan.
Picture naman kay Daddy, pakita mo. Na